Follow the sunnah, inshallah we will go to Jannah.
Assalamualaikum friends. Today we will be starting Tas-heel al-Akhlaq wal-Adab. So let's get started. Lesson number 2, my home. Number 1, I always knock on the door and make salam when I enter my home. Number 2, I put my books in my bag on their places. Number 3, I do not leave my clothes and shoes lying around. Number 4, I do not scream, cry, or nag when I want something. Number 5, I always speak with respect. Number 6, I do not complain about the food. Number 7, I do not scream and fight with my brother and sisters. Number 8, I do not go out to play without asking my parents. Number 9, I always return home before sunset. Number 10, I always keep my room tidy. Humaira. There was once a little girl named Humaira who always tried to please her mother. She helped her mother clean the house and always spoke with respect. She saw how hungry children stood on street corners begging for food. She always thanked Allah Ta'ala and never complained about the food. She learned about kindness at school and shared her toys with her brothers and sisters. When she returned from school, she would always make salam. She never left her school bag or school clothes lying around. One night, as she lay in her bed, she heard the sound of silent crying. She left her bed and quietly walked to her mother's room. Her mother was on the musalla making dua and her hand lifted up. She cried silently as she said, "Oh Allah, I thank you for the wonderful daughter you gave me. She is so obedient and caring. She helps me in the house and never troubles me in any way. Protect her and have mercy on her." Humaira quietly went back to her bed and kept thinking about her mother's dua. Only then did she realize how important it was for children to obey and help their parents. If you obey your parents, they will make dua for you and Allah Ta'ala becomes pleased with you.